Here's the latest from the Force 13's Australia Oceania Channel. BOM Meteorology Victoria's reissued severe weather warning for heavy rainfall for the East Gippsland northeast forecast districts. Low pressure trough will slowly cross northeast Victoria during today. On the screen is the warning area. Heavy rain may lead to flash flooding possible across the east and northeast of Victoria today. Falls within the warning area over the next 12 hours, likely to be between 20 and 50 millimetres with some higher totals. Rain's expected to ease over the area this evening. Locations which may be affected: Wodonga, Wangaratta, Corryong, Bright, False Creek and Omeo. Bureau of Meteorology New South Wales has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for damaging winds for parts of the lower western, upper western forecast districts. This is the area under the current warning. Now we have a look at the HEAVY 8 satellite imagery latest. The instability outlook. This is out to 1300 hours tomorrow. Storm probabilities. Current temperatures: capital cities 25.4 Sydney, Melbourne 19.2, Sydney, Brisbane 26.6, Perth 18.4, 18 Adelaide, 20.2 Hobart, 22.2 Canberra, Darwin 32.5. Rain developing, possible storm in Sydney, few showers Melbourne, partly cloudy Brisbane, cloudy in Perth, possible morning shower in Adelaide, Hobart, showers developing, Canberra, rain, possible storm, Darwin, partly cloudy, and Perth, partly cloudy. Now we have a look at the 850 millibar winds, and the information's at the bottom of the screen. Strong wind warning in place for the Goffs, Macquarie, Hunter and Eden case. They've cancelled the one for the Sydney case. Victoria, strong wind warning, the East Gippsland case. And precipitation, each of these images are free hourly. Information is at the bottom of the screen, and this is out till 2200 hours on Monday. Now we have a look at the latest tropical cyclone formation probability guide. Force 13 AU is keeping an eye on the area to the east of Papua New Guinea and our main channel providing updated information via the tropical weather bulletin on the northern hemisphere scene. Now we have a look at the upper level divergence. It was around 50 knots earlier today, but it's dropped to 40 knots. The latest wind shear, and wind shear is very unhealthy. 24-hour shear tendency. Yeah, 50 millibar vorticity, and quite a bit of vorticity where the thunderstorm activity is that's developing over the Wodonga area where there's thunderstorms in New South Wales. The Bureau's 12-hourly rainfall, and there's no information to be reported via the Bureau Meteorology's tropical cyclone 3-day outlook. Finding this update, we have a look at the Bureau's 24-hour rainfall. Rainfall scales the right hand side of the screen, and quite a bit of green, dark green, and I like to see a little bit of blue in those areas that really need to see some decent rainfall.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.